Hi, everyone. I'm Sandy Gehring, an innovation coach at Keep Indiana Learning. If you've been following along with me, we have been on a learning journey about risky or adventurous play. We've talked about podcasts and books. We've used AI to help us with our language. And I started thinking, just like my language, I tend to fall back on the same ideas for adventurous play. Are you wanting to bring adventurous outdoor play into your classroom, but you don't know where to start? Let AI do the heavy lifting. I am sharing the exact prompt that I used for three different environments at three different ages. It breaks down all the parts of the activity, the environment that it needs, and the age level. I'm excited, so let's get started with the first activity. Okay, here it is. I designed this prompt to make brainstorming effortless. You can just copy and paste it and let AI do the work. It forces ChatGPT or Gemini or whichever tool you're using to give you specific activities, the natural materials that might be beneficial, the developmental benefits, and some safety guidelines. So grab it, drop it into your favorite AI tool, and let me know what ideas you get. Here's my first one. For our first set of activities, we are going to use the age group of 5 and 6-year-olds, and we're going to make our setting in a wooded area. So if you have 5 or 6-year-olds and access to a wooded area, you have to try out this activity. It's called Mud and Fireless Cooking, and it falls under the dangerous elements category. All you need is some mud and some old pots and pans, and give the kids permission to gather things like thorny briars and prickly plants and leaves. The developmental benefit here is huge. They are working on sensory integration and learning how to respect and safely handle natural things that might pinch or poke or sting. For safety, eliminate the hazard by clearing out all toxic plants and setting a strict no eating the mud rule. But keep the risk by letting them navigate those prickly textures. Drop a comment at Keep Indiana Learning and let me know if your kids love this activity. See you next time.